Ladies and gentlemen, how are you doing? This is David Irvin from Deep Forestry again. I'm here today for an invasive plant moment. I'm not in a state forest somewhere this time. I'm in a backyard in Watertown. And I'm just looking around the woodlot. This is April. You notice there's no leaves in the canopy. Most everything hasn't greened up yet, but it's on the verge of popping bud and greening up real quickly now. And we like to see green this time of year. However, in April, a lot of the stuff you see greening up in an understory this time of year is going to be an invasive plant. Now, what is an invasive non-native plant? It's a plant that doesn't actually belong here. It's been planted in the past and it's gotten away a little bit. They are not in sync with our climate or native plants, so oftentimes they will green up earlier and stay green later than native plants. And they do have the nature of the ability of being able to take over an area in the understory and basically displace native plants, which is not good for the ecosystem. I've got some stuff here today that's greening up a little early. Right here next to me, you can see what we call winged euonymus. Winged euonymus has wings all along its twig, woody wings, kind of like it wants to take flight or something. But it's also known as burning bush. It's bright red or bright pink in the fall. A lot of people like it, but it is an invasive plant, and it's pretty much taken over everything I can see behind me. We also have multiflora rose that has the barbs that most of us are used to on the cultivated version of roses. And we have Japanese barberry. Japanese barberry has these classic teardrop-shaped leaves. It's a very common invasive, and it actually makes excellent tick habitat. So if you have Japanese barberry in your backyard or old field area, it's a good plant to get rid of. So this is a first step. If you have invasives in your backyard, the first thing you need to do is find them and identify them. So April is a good time to do that because you can see them greening up before anything else in general. If you have any questions on invasive plants, by all means, post comments here. Ask me questions directly. There is also a lot available online. There's actually an invasive plant working group here in Connecticut that you can look up online. Thank you very much for paying attention. Hope you enjoy the rest of your spring. May is right around the corner.